Last week, I asked ChatGPT to list the 10 best ways to help me make $100 per day online for free with ChatGPT. Then I asked you, which of these methods should we try? And based on your feedback, we are going to jump into Reddit. We're going to join a bunch of subreddits, and we are going to try and make $100 per day for free using ChatGPT and Reddit. In this video, I'm going to show you the questions that I asked to help me get some feedback, and I'm going to reveal my plan, not necessarily the subreddits I'm going to join. I'm going to reveal my plan to try and make $100 per day with Reddit. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. As you know, ChatGPT is a hot topic, and people are telling you that you can make anywhere between 1 million and 7 million every 38 seconds with ChatGPT for free without any work. What we want to do here, and this channel as a whole, is we want to put some of those theories to the test. We want to create actual helpful videos so that you can make money online. So we jumped over to ChatGPT and I said, give me some ways to make $100 per day using ChatGPT for free. It gave us these ideas. Now, if you want to learn more, if you want to see what that original video was all about, go ahead and check that out. I'm going to link it in the description so that you can get an idea of what we're talking about. Ultimately, the community has spoken and the community says we are going to do Reddit. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer. I asked ChatGPT a bunch of questions. Then we're going to talk about my plan for monetization, and we're going to see how this works. So if we take a look at my computer here, you can see earlier today and yesterday, I asked ChatGPT for more information. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT, you mentioned forum participation as a way to make $100 per day with ChatGPT. Can I use this for Reddit? Also, what are the best niches or subreddits to make $100 per day? Now, it came back with learn programming, entrepreneur startups, SEO, freelance writers, ask marketing, blogging, learn art, and art critic, I guess, and then language learning. So I'm not really in love with any of these. I think that we could make $100 per day with just about any subreddit as long as the subreddit's big enough and it's an active community. Now, I asked ChatGPT, what are some different ways that I could make $100 per day? And it came back with identify your skills and expertise, find relevant subreddits, provide value, offer your services, set competitive rates, promote your services outside of Reddit, and deliver quality work. So in ChatGPT's mind, we are going to do something like be a web designer. We might find WordPress clients and we might build our following that way. We might make money that way. I'm not necessarily in love with that because that requires active income. I'm looking for something that's more semi-passive where I can answer questions and potentially make some money. Toward the end of this video, I'm going to tell you my actual plan, but it's important to see what information ChatGPT gives us so that we can decide to take advantage of it. And then I say, what are the monetization strategies I can use? Advertising, affiliate marketing, which is what we're going to do ultimately, sponsored posts for blogs, selling products and services, subscription model, donations, online courses, freelancing, consulting, e-commerce. And then I asked ChatGPT once again, give me 20 subreddits where I can make money, make $100 per day. And you can see here, some of these aren't great, I don't think, unless I had a service-based business. For example, if I wanted to language learning, if I had a course or something, maybe I could teach people Python or JavaScript or something along those lines. But I'm going to tell you in a minute what my actual plan is, but this is an interesting way to get up and running. Now, I came back and asked ChatGPT to help me make $100 per day with the blogging subreddit. You're going to join the subreddit, identify your expertise, but we're really just going to use ChatGPT to answer these questions. We're going to provide value, build reputation. I actually mentioned this in one of my answers. You're going to want to build karma, offer your services, set competitive rates, deliver quality work, promote your services outside of Reddit. And then I asked it, I'm going to do affiliate marketing. How can I promote my affiliate link? Join relevant subreddits, understand the rules, provide value, build trust, create relevant content, disclosure, and affiliate links, which is really important. Everybody should be disclosing that they are an affiliate marketer. Promote your content, engage with your audience, track your results, and optimize. It gave us some very general information. I probably could have done a better job of asking better information, but this is a very general overview on how to get up and running with Reddit. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and talk about my plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to join about 5 to 10 different subreddits that are within my niche. For example, let's say I was in the pet niche. I'm going to go out and find maybe 5 to 10 different subreddits with regards to dogs. I understand dogs. I know dogs a little bit better. The next step is to spend some time just kind of looking through the different subreddits to see if there are common questions that are being asked. For example, if I jump back into my computer, we can simply go to reddit.com like this. Reddit calls itself the front page of the internet, which is A-okay with me. Now, for whatever reason, my Reddit doesn't load properly, but that's fine. What we can do is we can search Reddit like this, and we can say something like, dogs. Hit enter, and now we're going to go over to communities. Now you can see all of these are dedicated to different dog subreddits or communities. What we can do is go through, try and find 5 to 10. This dog training one is interesting. I think what you're going to see is you're going to see a lot of marketers probably already in here spamming their links. But if we scroll through here, we can see if people are asking questions about dog stuff. And we can actually do this another way as well, which I'll show you in just a moment. So we can scroll through, see if there are common questions that are being asked. If there are common questions being asked, I can put together a PDF that I can give away with those answers. And what I'll do is I'll create this PDF in Canva or maybe even Google Docs. And then within that PDF, I'm going to have a few links to different affiliate programs, and I'll also have a link to a landing page. Now, this is something that anybody could do. Now, the links, if we're talking about dogs and dog training, obviously we could promote the ClickBank dog training, brain training for dogs, the dog training course. Also, I talked about this a few weeks ago. We could go out and find different affiliate programs for online or televets. So if a dog eats something that they shouldn't eat, the dog owner will call the televet, which is a telephone veterinarian service or online service. And if they get the help that they need, they pay money, we could actually get paid potentially per call, not even getting someone to buy anything. Another thing that we can do is we can look at pet insurance. And to do that, let's take a look at some opportunities here. So I'm over here on a website called OfferVault. OfferVault basically has lists, hundreds if not thousands of different offers that you can take advantage of. What we can do is we can just type in something like pet to see what pops up. If we look, there's CBD extract for pets, ultra canine pet supplement. What we're looking for, like I mentioned, is potentially a veterinarian service that people could call or log into to make money. A lot of these are basically with joint pain, CBD, but we could actually keep searching. All right, so I pasted in veterinarian. And if we look, ask a veterinarian pet health consultation. This one will pay us $25 per lead. Now, again, we don't even have to get anyone to buy anything. We just need to help generate leads. And if we click on this, run offer like this, you can just basically fill out everything that needs to be completed. This is over on Max Bounty, which is a relatively straightforward, well-known company. But this is basically all you have to do is get people over to ask a veterinarian. They enter in their name, their phone number, their email, and we could make $25 per lead. So if this is the landing page, you can see that is what it is. But that's just one way. We could also look at something like pet insurance. So if we just go back here and we can do maybe pet insurance and see if something pops up. Now, again, look at this. Pet insurance will pay you $20 pay per call. So to get people on a call, they'll pay you $20. You don't even have to get anyone to buy anything. That's a really cool thing about pet insurance. Now, if we look at these, there are a bunch of different ones out here. So if we start thinking about this, we already have maybe 3 different affiliate programs that we could promote. We could promote the brain training for dogs. It's over on ClickBank. I think everybody knows that. We could promote pet insurance, as you've seen here, and we can also promote the televeterinarian service. There are more affiliate programs that we could find, but this is a good place to start. And the cool thing about two out of the 3 of these, you don't even have to get them to buy anything. So that's pretty cool. So what we want to do, again, is go out and find maybe 5 different subreddits. We're going to join those subreddits. We are going to look at the questions that are being asked, and we are simply going to help people. Okay. Another thing that we can do, and this is going to be the paid version of this. Now, this is a paid keyword research tool. It's called Ahrefs. This is the paid version. This is the next step up. You're not required to get this at all, but we could look at the questions that are being asked from a different angle and then go answer questions that way. For example, we can go over to the keywords, and these are all the different keywords that they rank for. And then we could actually search by dog or pet where we can search by questions that are being asked. So we could go over to something like keyword, and then we could say something like dog, like this, hit apply, show results. And this will actually allow us to answer questions quicker because we can see the questions that are being asked, and we can kind of make this a faster way to do this. But you can see that there's a number of different ways to get to where we want to go. I really like this opportunity. Again, I don't know that I'm going to do dogs. This is something that anybody can do. And in fact, I encourage you to join this challenge with me. Don't just sit and watch me do this. Go ahead and do it yourself, because worst case scenario, you make a few bucks, you build some momentum, and you could turn this few buck a month, a week into $100 per day yourself, all with following along and doing this with me. In fact, I encourage you in general, whenever you see me do a thing online, do it yourself. Test it out, try it. And it's like I said in the last video, one of two things are going to happen. One, you're going to make money online, which is great for everybody. And then you can come back and tell the community that it works. Or two, you can start your own YouTube video saying, hey, I tried this method and this is why it didn't work, and then provide potential other opportunities. That's the best way. If you want to get into the make money online niche, get into the make money online niche by actually testing things out and showing people what does and doesn't work. People love your journey. People love a story. Okay, didn't mean to get off into that little sidetrack there, but that's important. Do this stuff with me so that you can make money or have a story to tell. Don't just sit and watch, okay? You will never be successful if you're just sitting around and watching other people work. So that side quest aside, I think we have a pretty good foundation. I think we have a pretty good idea of what we're going to do. If you guys have comments, suggestions, let me know, because I might go this route and I might just do what I'm telling you that I'm thinking about doing, because I think this could be a cool opportunity. Watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.